we talk about Danny Ay, who lost the ball. Santos Alcazar, three-point attempt, it doesn't go. Bakbakan sa rebound, Cliff Hodge. Donovan Riveros and Gabby Espinas trying to go after it. Cliff Hodge is complaining about something. But we're talking about the way Danny Ay mentors guys like Gilmar Fajardo now, Rabal Hussein. Sam Eman at one point in time was taken under the wing of Daniel Esparza. And Miguel drafted him high. And ito, nagkakapisikala na. Cliff Hodge and Gabby Espinas. And there seemed to be some swinging.
Doon sa simula pa lang, yung play na yun, really, there was contact already. Pero si Cliff Hodge, nung play bago nun, sa referee siya nagsasabi. Espinas and Cliff Hodge.
Naalala natin sa mga hindi nakita yung kanina. Kahit dito na si Carlos Baggio at si Paul Arcadi.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Cliff Hodge dun sa mga referees yung nangyayari. Gabby Espinas really playing in your face dito kay Cliff Hodge.
Pisikalan ng dalawang malaking mama.
Trying to get that position.
We saw that. Everybody reacted. Cliff Hodge.
One thing about Cliff Hodge, he was really focused on the basketball game.
You know, from that angle, I don't know. I'm not a referee, pero
Depende.
fortunate. That's
I agree.
that's the call.
This is that elbow.
That's one.
Ito yung kino-complain ng Meralco.
Cliff Hodge, kinakausap si Commissioner Tito Salud here. Sideline, pleading his case.